So what is the how we can factor these expressions? Okay, well, how we can factor this expression? It's super easy. So first, find greatest monomial factors in these expressions. Find the common number or variable in there. So what is the common? I think the common is positive 3. Why? Because this number, this literal coefficient can be divided by 3, while 9 can be also be divided by 3, and negative 6 can also be divided by positive 3. So so the factor is our number to factor is 3 3. But that's not where we're gonna end in this expression. Before we solve about dividing these expressions, there are other there are also other numbers or variables that can be common. So another common in these expressions is the variable y. So we're gonna find the lowest exponent from this y, the y variable, since y is the common, since the each term has y on it. So 3y, I'm sorry. So 3y is our going to factor 3y. And then you are going to put a parenthesis on it, right right away. You're going to have a parenthesis on this left side, right side. So okay, so the next step is to divide this first term by 3y. As you can see, 3y is our greatest common monomial factor in this expression. So 3y, so in this fraction, we're going to divide this literal coefficient to the in the denominator to the literal coefficient of the numerator. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 1. So if we're going to cancel this out, since they are divided, so this is going to be 1. And then y, since they have the same exponent, we're going to subtract it with the same exponent. So the one we're gonna do it is this one. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Sorry for the is equal to 0. But why? Because the exponent of this y in the numerator is equal to 1. And the exponent of the y in the denominator is also equal to 1. So the rule here is to minus, is to subtract these variables and not to divide it. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, which means y is not exist in this right side of 3y. Okay, so we're not gonna put it y here because it is equal to 0. So it means they are cancelled out. So next thing is that so next is the wait. I'm just going to erase these ones. I'm so sorry for the time. So next, we're going to factor this second term, which is positive 9xy. So we're going to solve it here. 9x y, we're going to divide it by 3y. 3y. So we're going to divide this one, which is 3. So since this and the second term is positive, the second term in this right side is positive. Okay, so positive 3 since we divide it by 3. So we also cancel this y since they are the same exponent and they are the same variable. We're going to cancel this. And x is the one who left in variables. So we're going to put x in here since there are no other x in the denominator. So we're not going to cancel it. So the answer in the second term in the right side of this equation is 3x. So lastly, we're going to factor negative 6y. Please don't forget about signs, about integer signs, okay? You always put it. So negative, sorry, just, so negative 6y divided, divided by 3, 3y. So, negative 6, negative 6 divided by 3, it is equal to negative 2. And since they are the same variables and same exponent, we're going to cancel. We're going to cancel this ones. Wait. Sorry for the lagging. So we're going to cancel this. So since there are no variables left in this fraction, so our final answer is negative 2. So our final answer is 3y plus 9xy minus 6y is equal to 3y parenthesis 1 plus 3x minus 2. That is our final answer. That's all guys, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand our lesson for today, and goodbye.